In this video, I'll show you how to get a programmable phone number with Twilio. Alright, so once you've signed up for Twilio, it may not always be clear how to actually get the programmable phone number. So you'll notice on the top here, Twilio gives you $15.50 in trial cash that you can use to buy phone numbers. What you want to do is go to the left-hand dashboard and click on Develop. Then there's a phone numbers drop down, then a manage drop down, and then you can click on active numbers to see all your active numbers. And you can see here we don't have any active numbers. What we need to do is click on buy a number on the top right, and that'll bring us here. And here we have a list of different numbers to pick from. Here are their prices and their regions are on the left. When you found one, you want to pick buy, and you'll see you'll be charged $1.15 immediately and then monthly from there on. Now, I haven't completed verification, so I won't be able to SMS or MMS. And you can see here the global routing has been set up, though we will have options to reroute this. And all we need to do is hit I agree and then hit buy. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.